Short videos to show you how to install the Sterling or standard type bench scale into our stainless steel cart. First, remove your roller top. Next, we'll remove our quick disconnect cable. Loosen, you might want to come back around here. Loosen the set screws. Once the column is able to wiggle, hold your cable, lift the column up. And now we have our home run cable out, and we will set our indicator down out of the way. Now, by yourself or with another person's help, set the scale so that it cannot fall, putting the feet inside of the lock rings. Loosen the 4 bolts that holds the column bracket in place on the scale base. Removing the last screw, you can see that the 4-bolt hole bracket is now free. What we will do is set our screws off to the side, Allen wrench, pick the bench up, set it here briefly, having our cable, dropping it down below, setting scale back in. And now, from the bottom, we will screw this into the base. And the first one started, Allen wrench, and lining the column bracket up, screw down. Because we have such a smaller opening at the top, easiest is to just let gravity help you out. When the cable stops moving, use your finger, pull free, pull the excess up. Reattach the quick disconnect. Line up. Any excess cable that you may have, you can either twist tie, wire tie up top, or feed some back into the column to prevent it from being damaged. But for right now, we'll just leave the rest of it up here. Pick up the roller top. Placed on the scale, your bench scale cart is now ready to use.